So I've been using this lens for about a month, but we're gonna start with unboxing it. So here is the Sigma 56mm lens made for M mount cameras. This lens is 1.4. It's part of Sigma's contemporary line. This line of lenses has crystal clear glass. I love Sigma. My favorite lens is a Sigma lens, and the enhancement that you get above and beyond the kit lens out of your M mount camera is just astounding. So let's open up this box. This lens doesn't come with its own little case or anything, but it comes like this. There's some paperwork and stuff in there. The lens comes with a hood, which can go on like this or fold back for storage. You've got a back cap and a front cap, and this is how big it would be if you used the hood. And if we compare that to the kit lens, it is a little bit bigger than the kit lens. This still isn't that big of a package to carry around with you, and you're at 90mm basically here. My 85mm Canon lens, I think, weighs more than this whole thing. So to get that kind of focal range on a small camera body, it's super exciting. So 56mm, great for portraits, great for super blurry B-roll if that's your thing. All around, great lens, and it's nice and it's stubby and easy to carry around. So a nice one to have in the kit for sure. There'll be another video where we walk through some photos that were taken on this lens, just so you can see what those look like. Here's a couple, just some quick ones. So I've got a whole series of videos about the Canon M6 Mark II and some other lenses and accessories that go with it. So be sure to check out the rest of my channel so that you can see those videos. Thank you so much for coming along on this one. Thank you to B&H for sending out this loaner camera for me to check out and bring to you. And I'll see you in the next video.